Okay, now we're looking at your speed test. Your name day period should be on your paper already.
It says name.
Because it's technically supposed to be cut in half, and we do 20 one day and 20 another. But we're going to do all 40 today. Oh, it sounds like you guys want 40 more.
Yeah.
Okay, so listen. I'm going to go through and figure out what operation, two things, what operation I need to do for each problem, and then what type of answer I'm going to have. What are the 4 operations?
Multiplication, addition, subtraction,
Add, subtract, multiply, and divide. And then, what kind of answers can I have? Positive or negative. And when I see subtraction, I need to do what? Add the opposite. Subtraction, add the opposite. Okay. So the first question I have is -2 plus 3. This is a subtraction. So, wait, listen, 2 things. What am I doing since they have different signs? Same signs, add and keep, different signs, subtract. So what do I do? Subtract. And then what kind of answer am I going to have?
It's going to be a positive number.
Positive. Okay, that's it. I don't want any answers yet. I don't want any answers yet. I want, what do I do and what will I have? I either add, subtract, multiply, and divide, and what do I have? Either a positive or a negative. Next one. -6 minus 5. I can add the opposite and rewrite this and say -6 plus -5 equals
a negative number.
Okay, it's going to equal a negative number. Then what do I do?
-6.
Are you paying attention? What do I do? What do I do? No, I did that. Good. Now, what do I do as far as my operations?
You add.
They have the same sign. What, Adam? What did you just say?
I said you add.
Add is correct. What is this? Multiply. What kind of answer will I have?
Negative.
Negative. What operation is this?
Division.
Division. What kind of answer will I have? Negative. Why negative? Not odd. Oh, wait. Yes, an odd number of what? I'm sorry. Odd number of negative symbols. That works. All right. Number 5. What do I do? Add the opposite. So it's -6 plus, what's the opposite of -2? Just +2 equals, okay, same signs, add and keep, different signs, subtract. What do I do to solve now?
You do the do.
I do what do? These are what I do, these are what I'll have.
Wait.
Okay, I need y'all to focus. Now that I have a new problem, what will I do? This is -6 plus 2. Why? That is correct. Why is it going to be negative? Because 6 is a greater absolute value, and they have different signs. All right? This guy. Oh, what do I do since they have different signs? Subtract. Here. What do I do, and what will I have?
Addition.
It's going to be, you're going to have to subtract.
I'm going to subtract, and then what will I have?
Positive number.
Positive. I don't want the answer. I just want the type of answer. What do I do? What will I have, guys? Listen. What do I do first? Then what will I have? Put that up. Here. What will I do? Divide. And what will I have?
Negative number.
Good. Next, what do I do?
Division.
Nope.
Oh, wait, no, that was
Multiply. Then what will I have?
You'll have a positive number.
Positive. Everybody should be writing. What will I do on number 9? Divide. What will I have for my answer? Negative. What do I do on number 10?
Subtract.
I am going to subtract because they have what?
2 same numbers.
No, not same.
They're both positive numbers.
They are not positive.
Oh, because 12 is negative.
12 is negative, so I subtract, and then what kind of answer will I have?
Negative number.
Negative. I just added the opposite. Here, I need to add the opposite. -3 plus -8. What will I do? I don't want the answer. Tell me what to do. Tell me how to get the answer.
8 plus 3. You make
I'm going to add, and then what's my sign going to be?
negative.
Negative. Here, what am I doing?
Dividing.
Okay. What kind of answer will I get?
Negative.
Negative. Here, I need to add the who?
Wait, what?
Add
That's
the who?
opposite.
The opposite.
So it's going to be a negative
6
number.
plus -10.
It's gonna be negative.
Okay, I need y'all to focus. Gentlemen, why does it have to be negative?
Because 10 is negative and that's greater than 6.
Good, because my 10 is negative. And then what will I do? Add or subtract these two?
Wait, which one is it? Number 13?
13.
Does that say 6 plus 7?
Oh, sorry, it's a 10, and my negative sign is kind of touching it.
You're going to
Let
add.
me fix it.
Oh, that's
Do they have the same signs or different signs, guys?
different.
So what do I do?
Let me give it up.
Thank you. This one right here, what do I do? They have the same sign.
Add.
Add. And what kind of answer will I have? Negative. 6 minus 0. You finished?
Wait. How'd you do number 14?
14. They have the same sign, so I have to add, and then I will get a negative number because they're the same sign. I add and keep that sign.
And then you add them.
And then I add them, and then I write my answer right here on this box, but I do not say it out loud because Miss Starling said not to.
Okay.
Yeah, she did.
Okay. 16. -20 over -5. What do I do?
Did you just give us the answer for 15?
Divide. I did because it's 6 minus 0.
That was hard.
It has to be positive, right?
This has to be positive. Good. Okay, -30 divided by -5.
Positive.
Yeah, positive.
Positive, divide. What do I need to do? Add the
Add -3 plus 2.
Add the -3 plus 2. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. So what am I going to do mathematically to solve this? I'm going to get a negative number, then what do I have to do?
Subtract it.
Subtract. Great. -4 plus 3.
It's going to be -4 minus -3.
Okay, so I'm going to subtract. It's just going to be 4 minus 3. I've got my sign already.
And then it's going to be
-6 minus 8. Rewrite it. -6 plus -8.
8 plus 6 negative.
I'm going to add, and it's going to be negative. Great. We've got down the first 20. Let's try and move a little more speedily. What am I doing over here?
-8 times -2.
So multiply, and what kind of answer will I get?
Positive.
Positive. What am I doing here?
You're gonna be
Adding. Good. What kind of answer will I have? Yes. What kind? What kind of answer?
Negative.
No. Yes. Negatives. My bad. What do I do here? Add the
Both of them.
add the opposite. I'm adding here, and I'm also adding here.
Yeah. So
4. Oh no, I'm not adding here. This is subtraction because they're going to have different what?
Signs.
Different signs. 4 plus -8 equals something. Okay, those of you who are working ahead, great. But if you get something wrong, I'm going to ask you if you wrote this down or not. Where's his paper? He should have one too since he joined us.
Oh, we
I gave y'all an extra one. All right, -6 minus 10. I need to rewrite it. -6 plus absolutely. You don't do any work in here in vain.
Wait,
What kind of answer will I have for 23?
Negative.
What kind of answer will I have for 24?
Negative.
Is that your final answer?
Negative.
Hands up for positive.
Me.
Hands up for negative.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
What kind of answer am I going to have here? I am adding.
Negative.
I am not multiplying. I am not dividing. I am adding two negative numbers, and it will still give me a negative
Oh,
answer.
it's gonna be negative. Oh.
Okay? -5 minus -8. Add the opposite. -5 plus 8. What kind of answer will I have here? What? Oh, the kind of number that 8 is?
It's gonna be a positive.
Positive. Here, what am I doing?
Multiplication.
Multiplying. All right? It's going to be negative. Good. 5 minus 10. Add the opposite. Good. 5 plus -10.
It's gonna be negative number.
It's going to be a negative number. Same signs add, different signs. Subtract for this one. I didn't put what I was supposed to do here. Subtract. Tell me what to do.
Positive.
Positive. Okay, you guys are giving me the sign first. Tell me what to do first.
Oh. Y'all can answer. That means all the questions. Y'all have to answer. Do the divide.
Divide. And I'll get positive. Tell me what to do here. Add the
Opposite.
-5 plus -7. What will I do mathematically to solve?
7 plus 5 and make
So
it
add.
negative.
Thank you. 7 plus 5 and it'll be negative.
Whoa.
Add the opposite. What do I do here? -1 plus -1.
Oh, it's going to be negative number because 1 plus 1.
It's going to be negative, and then you're going to add because you said plus. 31, 0 minus 8. I'm at 0 on the number line, and I go 8 steps to the left. Where do I end up?
Negative. Oh.
You can tell me this
Negative
one.
8.
That was the hardest problem I've ever solved.
There was 2 really challenging problems on here, 31 and 15. All right, 32. What do I do? What do I get?
That's what I said.
It's going to be multiplication.
Thank you for staying focused. You said multiply, and I wrote divide.
Positive number.
It's gonna be positive.
Multiply and positive. Good job. Okay, 18 over -3. What do I do? What do I get?
It's going to be a negative number, and you're supposed to do division. 18 minus 18
Divide negative. 34. What do I do? What do I get? I need y'all to stay focused and stop talking.
Positive. Because it's the same size as the same.
Divide. 35. What do I do? What do I get?
You do the new.
Negative 2 minus negative 8. Negative
No, this isn't subtraction. I'm leaving it as is. So they have different signs. What do I do?
Oh, it's going to be negative 2 minus negative 8. Right?
No, guys, sing the song. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Do these have the same signs?
No.
So what do I have to do?
Add.
No.
What question are we? We're number 35, right? Yes.